I want to give special thanks to Eastbridge Training Institution for this course that they introduced. Honestly, I want to thank our lecturer, Madam Kuru, for opening my mind, my life as a teacher. All these years I've been working as a teacher for the past 15, 20 years, but not doing the correct thing. This course that is being introduced to me is actually going to, has made me a reborn teacher with wisdom equipped with knowledge and to know everything about special needs education. I didn't know anything to do with learning disabilities, but now, I've been enlightened. I know how to deal with students now. I urge every teacher who is in the mainstream to just come and join this program. It's quite the best program for all the teachers.
I am so glad that I came and done the 3-day course of special educational training with Eastbridge, and I found the location quite easy to get to. There's plenty of parking outside. It's cheaper by the train station. I found the tutor, Kuhu, very warm and welcoming from the get-go. She was knowledgeable. She taught us all in a manner which was very calm, very relaxed. It wasn't too intense. She kept us moving and intrigued throughout. There was it was a small class, but although intense for the 3 days that we were here, not once did I feel tired or overwhelmed. Everything was at a very steady pace. And I'd like to say thank you for Eastbridge, and thank you to Hoku for their time and their qualification.
My name is Itten, and I attended the 3 days intensive training that was organized by Eastbridge in the collaboration with ACT, Asian College of Teachers, and I must say it was a wonderful experience. Aside from the great lectures that I received in these 3 days, the colleagues I had, I learned a lot from them. Each person sharing their experiences, what they face in class and all of that gives you it gave me like another dimension of teaching, of dealing with kids and all of that. So it was learning all around. Everything was learning, the environment, the people. The Miss Kuku was a wonderful, I call her Miss Rena actually, I prefer to call her Miss Rena. She was a wonderful lecturer. She went with us in respect to how we were. I felt respected, and I felt seen, I felt heard, and it was a wonderful experience altogether. I feel like I am a far more better teacher than I was, and with this training, I feel like the sky is my starting point. I'm going farther and I'm going wider. Thank you so much, Eastbridge. Thank you so much.